They are moving us towards driverless vehicles, driverless planes. And it doesn't mean that there aren't already planes that do fly themselves. There's a lot of predictive programming movies where planes fly themselves. But let me show you the technology that they tell you a couple years ago that they have at Lockheed Martin with this matrix, how coincidental they call it the Sikorsky's matrix technology, and DARPA. And they show you this stuff because they have it years and years in advance of what you even see here. The control, the capabilities that they have in this video, they're well advanced. They only show you stuff when they're about 30 or 40 years advanced. So here they are with their Black Hawk specifically, for anyone out there wondering, because the Black Hawk is the helicopter that supposedly hit the airplane. Well, here they are bragging about how they have Black Hawk helicopters that are completely autonomous. So put two and two together and realize that this was a targeted hit on a plane. There was no person flying it, but they can't tell you it was autonomous because then you wouldn't trust getting in an autonomous vehicle or an autonomous plane in the future. So they'll likely reveal it to you that it was some person who died weeks or months ago that was a DEI hire, because it'll fit the narrative better and it'll make conservatives out there want what? Well, want autonomous airplanes because it's safer. They don't have to worry about unhinged lunatics flying planes or driving taxis or Ubers. That's the point. But here they are bragging specifically about this Black Hawk autonomous helicopter.
Hand in hand with the Army to modernize Black Hawk, to incorporate new technology, new capabilities to create the Black Hawk of the future. And one critical technology of all these things is autonomy. And that brings me here today.
Are we really going to fly this optimally piloted autonomous Black Hawk in Connecticut from 300 miles away right here in Washington, D.C.? And the answer is a resounding yes, we're going to.
You're going to see the aircraft come up to a stabilized hover, and this is going to simulate contested logistics operations where we would have a ground crew hooking up a sling load to the aircraft.
Yeah, this aircraft is